Hi guys, my name is Tsubasa and welcome to my channel. Today's video I am going to follow a makeup tutorial on how to wear a black lipstick. First I am going to set aside most of my hair in the front. And to begin I am going to play the video. Foundation, I'm going to use this one. Then I'm going to use a foundation brush which is also flat like what she uses in the video. Then I'll be patting it with my beauty blender. The next one. So the next one is concealer and powder. So this is my concealer, which is very dark. Powder I'm using is actually from Boucher, and I just depot it and transfer it into this empty Etude House compact because it looks cute. Then the next step is using eyeshadow on my eyebrows. The color is cool tone brown, so I think I'll be using, I don't know. It's kinda amazing and sad that you take so much time on eyebrows, but it's just the way it is. I forgot to mention that this video is not a transformation video that I would look like Youandain here in the tutorial, but it's actually applying the techniques on my face. So I just wanted to point out that this is not a transformation video of Tsubasa to Youandain because this is not a transformation video. This is just a follow me video. And so the next step is doing the feathery strokes on the eyebrows. Proceeding to the next step. Drawing those Charlie Puth cuts on my eyebrows. What shall we do? Going back with that concealer, and I'm going to look for a very thin eyeliner brush. Is this thin enough? Okay. Okay. The next step. The base color for the eyes, and I'm going to choose, I think, this one from Stila. And I'll be using one of my favorite brush from Sigma. This is the large fluff E50. So that's not much, and we'll proceed with the next step. Contouring with the nose, I'm going to use my trusty Sleek Contour palette. A fluffy brush, it is Sigma E40. I'm going to contour my nose. And then this number 22 Masters Professional brush to contour my jaw. Asian contourings don't usually go with the it's just usually soft contours on the sides of the face. I think that's a huge difference than Western makeup. The next step, blushes. This blush is already really soft and it will work for me because I don't know how to put on blushes. Where did you put it? Apples. The next step. Peachy brown eyeshadow and contact lens. So I think I'm going to put on my contact lens first, then I'm going to put my eyeshadow. Be right back. The next step. So that one is I'm not going to follow because I've tried it so many times, but double eyelid tapes still don't work on my eyes because I have very serious case of hooded eyelids. So I have too many skin on my eyelids, so no matter what eyelid tape I put, no matter how technique, it does not work on my eyelids because they're just too many. So it's a really serious case of hooded eyelid that it needs surgery for my eyeliner area to show up. So let's cancel that and let's proceed with the next step. So I'm going to look for a black eyeshadow and then a very good and stiff eyeliner brush. I'll be using this one from Japanese. It is a travel size and there is a non-travel size of this, but I prefer the travel size because it's so small. And then I'll be using a black eyeshadow from Stila again, and then but this is not a very black eyeshadow. It has purple sparkles in it, but sparkles will not be visible anyway, so but I like the pigment of this. So and then let's proceed with the next one. A reddish brown eyeshadow to the outer corners and on the bottom, and I'll be using I don't know what brush to use. I think I'll just go with this Sephora number 14 Pro Shadow number 14 and this one from Vice Cosmetics. Then I'll proceed with my next step, which is I don't know what was that exactly, but I think she's just a little bit contouring or finishing up the lines there. And for the brush, I think I'll just be using this one from Sigma. It's the Smudge E21 and some random brown color. I think this step is like not very visible, but I think it will give off the look like you don't know what hit you kind of thing, because it is not very visible, but it will make so much of a difference. This step is very common with Korean makeups because they seem like not wearing any makeup at all, but they actually do, and it is very subtly made that it gives off a youthful look. It's just what I observed. I was watching Jung Sae-mol for a very long time, and she's like not putting anything but then changes the look of the model. That is Korean makeup. This is it so far, and I don't know if she will add some more. But the next step would be glitters. And I will be using this shader lid from Sigma in E56. I hope the sparkles reaches the camera. Then the next step would be lashes and mascara, and I'll be using my favorite lashes of all time, which is from Huda Beauty in Claudia. So this is it so far, and I'll go check on the next step. Okay, I might be needing some rhinestones. where shall I get one? So I have here a box of rhinestones and all the unnecessary stuff I got from years ago, and I will be needing more of these, and then I'll be dabbing it with the end tip of my Real Techniques brush. And where will I put it? Yep, so nice. Then what's next? Liquid highlighter. I'll be using my good old Hocus Pocus liquid highlighter. Whoopsies, whoopsies. Shiny. Or the next step. Finally, the lipstick. So just put it on the center though. But first, can I just put some lip balm? I'm so scared right now. Black. Then I'll be putting the eyeshadow, and now the eyeshadow has somewhere to sit onto because I put lip balm. Please go well. So scared. I'll just concentrate the color on the innermost. So I guess that's the end of the tutorial, and this is the end of my look. If my mother will see me, I don't know. Baby, how do I look?
You look done?
But how do you see me? Do you like it? You don't like it?
I like your hand. I like your red lips lang.
And red lips lang you like?
Yes.
You don't like black lips?
Yes. I don't want that.
Okay. So my baby don't like it. And how do you like it? And I will just finish this look with a blonde wig and some hat like she does. So that is it, you guys, with me following a tutorial on how to wear a black lipstick and with the hair and the hat. And I hope you like it. If you do, please hit the like button and leave a comment on the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified if I will be uploading a new video. And I hope to see you really soon on my next one.